Sri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. If you try your best, Krishna will give you strength. Krishna is always ready to help you, provided you want to take his help. He is ready. He has come to help you. Otherwise, what is the use of Krishna's coming here and canvassing Sarva Dharman Parityajya Mamika? That is for our interest. You surrender to Krishna, not surrender, it doesn't matter to Krishna. Krishna does not depend on your service. He is completely perfect. He can create millions of servants like you in a moment. So why does he require your service? Why he should canvass for your service? His service is not suffering for want of you, but it is your interest to surrender to him. That is your interest. This Krishna wants to see that you surrender to him and become perfect and go back to home, back to Godhead. That is Krishna's mission. So this Krishna consciousness movement is the same mission to canvas. Dante nidhaya tinakam padayo nipatya kakusatang kritva cha hang brabhimi he sadhava sakalameva vihaya dura. Chaitanya chanda charane kurutanuragam. This is our mission, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mission. Why Prabhupada Saraswati is requesting Chaitanya chanda charane kurutanuragam. You just become inclined to serve the lotus feet of Chaitanya because he is Krishna personally and he has come to teach us how to approach Krishna. That is Chaitanya. Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namini Gaurattise Namaha. Srila Rupa Goswami, he understood. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, he understood. Vairagya Vidya Nija Bhakti Yogam Sikkhatameka Purusha Purana Sri Krishna Chaitanya Sarira Dhari Kipam Buddhijastamahang Prabhade. If we understand Krishna through Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says that you become Guru. How? Jare dakhatare kaho Krishna Bode. Don't change, don't alter. You simply try to preach what Krishna has said. This is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's instruction. If you follow this instruction, don't make any addition and alteration of your so-called learned scholarship. That will not help you. You must present Bhagavad Gita as it is. Jare dakhatare kaha Krishna. There is everything very easily done, provided we follow parampara system. So, our Krishna consciousness movement should be pushed on very humbly. Dinadapi sunitena tarorapi sahisnuna amanina manadena kirtaniya sada. Kirtan. This preaching means kirtan. Not that simply with midanga we can have musical kirtan. No. Preaching is also kirtan. Abhavat Vaiyasaki kirtane. Vaiyasaki, the son of Vyasadeva, Sukadeva Goswami, he simply describes Srimad Bhagavatam and became perfect. Abhavat Vaiyasaki kirtan. Sri Vishnu Savane Parikshit. Parikshit Maharaj simply listened. He became perfect. And Sukadeva Goswami simply described. That is also Kirtan. So this is also Kirtan, as Prabodhananda Saraswati teaching us. He sadhava sakalam eva vihaya dura chaitanya chanda charani kurudanura. You are sadhu, best person, noble. But this is my request. This is humbleness. If you say, oh, you are a karmi, you are a mudha. Actually, he is a mudha, but in the beginning, if you say, then there will be no opportunity to speak. He is a mudha, that there is no working like hogs and dogs day and night for sense gratification. Certainly he is mudha, kurmi. Simply Gyani, they are simply speculating. That logic, Kakatalian, whether the crow first of all sat down on the palm fruit, then the palm fruit fell down, or the palm fruit fell down, therefore the crow could not sit on the palm fruit. Logic. One Pandit said, no, first of all the palm fruit fell down, and the crow wanted to sit down on it. See, he could not. No. Another Pandit says, no, the palm fruit was there, and because the crow sat down on it, it fell down. Now, this is it. We are wasting time, speculating. Kakotaliyan, Kupamandukan.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.